Welcome to toma-HACK Barbecue. Today we're going to be tackling a new recipe. We're going to be doing some gumbo. First time ever doing gumbo, so bear with me, but it should be interesting. We're going to be featuring White Bull's Barbecue Taco Uppercut. So let's get started. So for today's gumbo, we're using taco uppercut as a seasoning. Got a tablespoon of it right here. 1 cup flour. We've got 2/3 of a cup of oil. Most recipes call for vegetable or canola, but I am using my toma-HACK tonic as it's infused with Cambodian bird peppers and garlic. Should give a little extra flavor. We've also got some fire roasted tomatoes, garlic, peppers, celery. Rather than andouille sausage, because up here in the north and in my small community it's hard to find, I am using my local butcher's own cheese smokies. So we'll be throwing that in there. We've got some chicken and some chicken broth.